we need to find the inverse function of g of x equaling the cubed root of x plus 9 plus 11. So the two steps are to switch the x and y and then solve for y, because inverse functions switch x and y. So right now here's our y, g of x, and we're going to switch the x and the y. So that will give us x equals the cubed root of y plus 9 plus 11. Okay, and then the next step is to solve for y. So to solve for y, we get the y by itself. So let's subtract 11 from both sides of the equation. So we have x minus 11 equals the cubed root of y plus 9. Working to get the y by itself, we should cube both sides. So we have x minus 11 to the third power equals y plus 9. And last of all, to get the y by itself, let's subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. So y equals x minus 11 to the third power minus 9. So the inverse function is the y. The inverse function is the x minus 11 to the third power minus 9. So inverse functions, you just switch x and y and then solve for y, because that's what inverse functions do. They switch the x and the y.